Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this strawberry cream. This is a very simple dessert to put together and it can be prepared in a jiffy. Now let's get started. I've prepped all the ingredients and reserved. Here I washed the strawberry thoroughly, then patted dry and chopped it into small pieces. We also need granulated sugar. I'm not going to cook the strawberry and prepare a sauce, but I'm going to soak the strawberry in the sugar and allow it to release its own sauce. Here I'm using a box whipped cream. So I've soaked the whipped cream in some water. I'm not going to tell you which brand. You can find many brands in the supermarket. You can find whipped cream powder. So soak the whipped cream powder in some water ahead of time and refrigerate it. We just need to whip the cream with a beater. So 10 minutes ahead of time, you just need to add granulated sugar to the strawberry. Mix it nicely. Just cover it and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. The strawberry will automatically release a lot of moisture and it will form its own sauce. You don't have to cook the strawberry too much. Now here I have used an electric beater and whipped the cream to form whipped cream. This is the easiest way to prepare whipped cream and it has got sugar and everything. It is very easy to prepare whipped cream like this. So try it out. There are many brands available in the supermarket. You can prepare this whipped cream, chill it in the refrigerator and then you can prepare it. But since I was doing a video, I prepared it right away. Now I've transferred the whipped cream to a piping bag. I'm using a large star tip nozzle and once the whipped cream is ready and it's inside the bag, inside the piping bag, it's easy for me to transfer it to a glass or any bowl that I'm serving. Now you can see the moisture from the strawberry has released and the sauce has automatically formed. The strawberry is nice and soft at this point. I'm going to transfer 2 tablespoons of strawberry to a serving glass first and then top it with the whipped cream and again with the strawberry and again with the whipped cream. So this is a wonderful recipe. You can also prepare a milkshake using this strawberry once it is soaked in sugar syrup because it softens the strawberry and it releases a lot of sauce. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my other social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. Now here you can see I've topped my strawberry cream with some fresh strawberry and I'm going to serve it chilled. Do try this easy and simple dessert, friends. Now it's strawberry season. You can see the whipped cream is so stiff and it has turned out so good. I really enjoy preparing whipped cream these days using box whipped cream. That is the best. Try it out. Without fail, you'll get the best whipped cream. And I will try to link the whipped cream, the box whipped cream that I used in the products or in the description box below this video. Hope you all enjoyed this video, friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.